because of heavy internal resistance, there will be heavy power loss. Then how it gets charged? And also we find that when the battery is fully charged, charging current reduces. And when the battery is completely exhausted, we are having heavy charging current. So anybody is having answer for this battery model? It's a simple question. We talk many things about the battery, but what is the simple model of a chargeable battery which is having access through only two terminals, and inside you can use all kinds of electronic devices. I am very specific, electronic. So when we talk about electric devices, voltage source, resistor. Anybody else having answer? लक्षात लगा? चार्जेबल बाकी चर्चा खूप झाली. चार्जेबल बॅटरीचं मॉडेल की ज्यामध्ये तुम्ही त्याचं चार्जिंग आणि युसेज हे डिफाइन करू शकता. आता गुगलवर पूर्वी हे माहित असायचं, काही जणांना मग सांगायचे नाही असं व्हायचं. आता गुगलवर सगळं अवेलेबल आहे. So chargeable battery is having internally two parts, externally two components, only 2 points, internally and very almost constant but somewhat variable ideal constant voltage source. That pin point is not accessible, in series with that internal resistance, and in parallel to that a diode which is only in charging part. So through that diode battery gets charged, and that is because when the battery gets exhausted, its internal resistance increases, and when battery gets charged, effectively the all operations of electrolyte take place so that the increased resistance gets reduced. But that resistance, if we do not bypass through a charging diode, otherwise that charging mechanism will fail. So the takeaway of this is that chargeable battery in itself, its model is a big area of research. Number one. And number two is a day is not far off. Today we import oil through ships. Can we import the question is, can we import electricity through grid? It is also possible that if the density increases, that is the capacity of the battery and its weight or a volume cum weight, if that ratio increases, then it is possible that in our country, if we are having deficit of electric energy, then it's a fiction but maybe reality. All the exhausted batteries in India can be taken via an aeroplane to US. There is abundant energy available, so we can charge them by taking away to US through plane, charge there and bring them back. So to that extent, the research is required and going on, so that the density, that is the energy upon volume cum weight, is going to increase. I think that I also maintain the academic rigor even in the concluding session, and I think that now it is means beyond elastic limit there will be deformation. So I would like to stop it here itself, and I would like to wish all the best to all the participants, and they will carry the knowledge which they have accumulated here and use it at their places so that it's appropriately disseminated. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. म्हणून म्हणत आहे यांना हाडाचा शिक्षक म्हणतो आपण, ठीक आहे, मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. So even if we say that generally आपण टॉक करताना एक काहीतरी वर्ड दिला किंवा काहीतरी असं, that person can speak out for long. म्हणजे मराठी सर, ठीक. So thank you, sir. Now I would like to call upon Chavan sir to speak a few words.
to thank ATAL FDP, who has granted us a grant for conducting this faculty development program. Then again, I would like to extend my thanks to Dr. Wilker sir for his support. Again, I would like to extend my very much thank to Diploma Wing, Polytechnic Wing, Dr. Agasi sir, Dr. Sulake sir, Narayankar sir, and other colleagues for supporting. And also, I would like to extend my thanks to all the participants, the supporting staff, and finally, the director sir, who supported all the in all the way for this particular event. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. So sometimes we making a formality and we supposed to consider again a formality here. So we conclude the session. So we say that the FDP of emerging trades on electric vehicles is concluded. But before leaving this campus, so let's have a cup of tea. Take a cup of tea and then you take whichever the attendance certificate those who require. And those who have not submitted their bill, their identity card, please submit and then you leave the campus. So thank you all. We say thank you to all the participants. Now you try to come again to the this campus. We have a nearby one more international conference in our campus. Thank you all.